There's also an organization that you should be aware of. It's called Cal-SAGA. And they allegedly represent the private security industry in California as we know it, and they don't. You have big corporations representing Cal-SAGA. For example, Allied Universal, worth billions of dollars, Securitas, and a whole lot of other organizations that just fund these political issues. They just keep sending money to them. And to become a member, you have to pay a certain amount. Allied Universal pays roughly $2 million a year, and 42% goes to lobbying efforts. In our small, tight-knit community, we found that they don't represent us. They represent big interests. For example, Assembly Bill 1244 makes it almost impossible for anybody to open a security company. Governor Newsom, when he signed AB 1244, he excluded law enforcement officers, federal agents, and people who gained experience through places of worship. He excluded them. They can't get a license anymore. And he increased the fees in the private security industry by almost 7 to 8%. And most of the fees go to the line staff officers, the 300,000 line staff officers that represent the security profession. CALSAGA doesn't represent them. You cannot be a line staff officer and be a member of CALSAGA. The other bill that I'm really upset about that Governor Newsom passed was AB 2515. That bill disarmed hospitals, it disarmed medical facilities, it disarmed private K-12 facilities, schools. In order to have adequate security protection, they have to hire a contractor that has a PPO license. Well, guess what? The in-house private security companies, the private security departments, they cannot qualify for a PPO license because that experience that they have within that organization, it doesn't count anymore. They know what they're doing at the CALSAGA level. They're trying to limit all the competition so they can monopolize the security industry. What I'm asking for, when Chad Bianco becomes elected as governor, is that he repeal AB 1244, make it the way it was, let everybody have an equal opportunity at starting their own security company. We're going to ask him to repeal AB 2515, and I'm going to ask him if he could reopen a case that involved Allied Universal. They were investigated for not reporting force 7 times. 7 times, and all they got was a citation. They only paid $5,000. Finally, let it be known in the history books of a brighter California that a small community got together in a small schoolhouse surrounded by dirt roads and hayfields, all together for one purpose, and that purpose is change. Sheriff Bianco, lead the way.
For the residents here, thank you for coming out. The security folks, it kind of disturbed me a little bit, some of the things that you're saying. A couple of mentions of, it was almost like security and law enforcement is separate. And I will tell you, from my world, 32 years, it's not. We have never felt like that. We have never felt that there was something lesser about security. It's just a different part of our job, and we truly appreciate everything that you guys do. The majority of the problems are regulations. It's just regulation placed on the industry. Remove them. We'll have to repeal the 2 big ones that they've just done. But that's how the majority of California is being failed. It's by excessive regulation. Stroke of a hand.